Alright, duck hunting. Woo. Big storm coming up, pushing in from Florida. Low pressure system, ducks should be moving. It should be pretty good. We're hunting like a puddle, so we'll see. Yeah, hell of a duck hunting day, which is no ducks at all. Like it's definitely duck hunting weather, but today was not the day. Yeah, so only saw a few. We had a couple of teal come in right in front of us. I was spun around facing the other side and couldn't really get a shot on them. I got stuck on my rain jacket. So, but we got two. We're looking for the third. The two hens and a drake. We can't find the drake, so we're gonna look before we go. But it's pretty much it. We've been out here for a couple hours. We're starting to get pretty soaked, as you can tell. Everyone else on the farm is in like covered blinds, but we obviously are just sky. So I think we're gonna call it here.